Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today Liam Steele will be helping me,
Hello.
and we're gonna be,
Reviewing Alexa.
yes, Echo.
Yeah,
Right, so what have we got here?
we're going to be unboxing it and showing you all the things that it can do.
That's right. Right, open.
Open the box. Okay, we need to take this out carefully.
I already ripped it.
I know.
It's alright.
Okay, take it out carefully and then fold down the plastic. Take it out. And then there's a flap.
And then we can slide this one out.
Yeah.
Okay?
Slide
That's
that
for
out.
you.
And then the flap where you can get all the things.
Yeah.
There's lots of versions of this of Alexa, but we got this type,
And
the radio speaker type. So there you go.
by Amazon, Alexa Echo, so it's got the speaker with it. There's another one, the Echo Dot. It doesn't have this massive speaker. And there's Tap, Alexa Tap. Comes with this booklet. One, Ask Alexa.
Yeah, this shows you what some of the things that you can ask. So Alexa can control the house. You can set the timer. You can ask Alexa what's on the calendar, and ask Alexa to add milk to your shopping list. Voice shopping. Alexa, add popcorn to my basket. So you can, for voice shopping, you can ask Alexa to note that you want to buy some popcorn.
So we'll just go through how to set up your Alexa. We've already done it, but first, when you plug it in, there's gonna be an orange light. And then what you need to do is to download the Alexa app from your phone or your iPad or your computer. And then once you download the app, Alexa app, it will go through the process of how to set up your Alexa. Basically, you need your Wi-Fi password, because you need to connect to internet with your Alexa, and that's it. All of the things that you need to do is in that app. We'll cut to the chase.
Yeah, but one more thing. You can ask Alexa. You can find things that you can ask Alexa, more things to ask Alexa on the app.
Now, we've already set up Alexa, so that's why it's already running. But
sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, mute.
Call her.
There.
Okay.
There, you can press mute by pressing that
Voice button.
microphone there.
Yeah.
Because each time you say the word Alexa, it turns on.
Yeah, and the light turns on. It'll respond to you.
Right.
Yes.
Unmute.
Okay.
Okay, Liam, what would you like Alexa to do?
Alexa, tell us a joke.
What's black and white and red all over?
What?
A penguin blushing.
Ah, nice one.
Right. Alexa, volume up.
Alexa, ask Jurassic Park to bark.
How about my favorite one, the burp?
Oh, I know the burp. Alexa, ask for a burp. No. It's so funny. Alexa, ask for a fart.
Ooh.
Nyeh, 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 nyeh.
Alexa, thank you.
No worries.
See? Very smart. Alexa, meow, meow. It's still on.
Yeah.
Okay. Alexa, stop. Stop.
Right. Actually, we really wanted to buy a DAB radio, so a digital radio. So this is the answer to that one. And also we wanted a nice speaker. Again, this is the answer to that one. Right. Alexa, open Capital FM.
Got music.
Here's Capital from Global Player. Give postcode permission to listen to your local station.
Alexa, volume 3. There you go. It's a little bit quieter
Yeah.
because we are doing it at 9 o'clock.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, open Classic FM. The other one is Capital.
Oh, okay.
Alexa, volume up. Oh, Alexa, stop. Another thing that's very useful with this one is the alarm clock.
Yeah, you simply ask Echo set timer to whatever like
Or set
7
alarm.
yeah like
Yeah.
7:30 in
AM.
AM.
Shall we do that?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alexa, set alarm to 7:30 AM.
Alarm set for 7:30 a.m. tomorrow.
Very good.
Yay!
And then, if you bring your Alexa in the kitchen and you're cooking, you can set a timer. You just say the name Alexa, then you say, oh, it's hearing me at the moment.
I don't know that one.
Right, we put it on mute. So, yeah, you just say, Alexa, set timer to 10 minutes, for example, if you're cooking. And then it will set for 10 minutes and then it will alarm. Or 30 minutes, depends on if you're baking, cooking something. So, yeah, it's very handy. What else? Oh, news.
Yeah.
You can just ask Alexa about the news.
Yeah.
Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your flash briefing. From BBC News.
The BBC.
For next month, rail services on the East Coast Main Line will be brought
Alexa,
back under...
stop.
Right. So it can tell you the news. Another thing, if you are a sports person or a spectator, you can easily ask about the score of your favorite team or any news about sports. Alexa, what's the score of the match for football?
This might answer your question. Liverpool are currently in 4th place in the English Premier League with 75 points, a record of 21 wins, 12 draws, and 5 losses, and a goal differential of plus 46.
Alexa, what's the status of Southampton Saints?
Southampton Saints were a speedway team which operated from 1928 until their closure in 1963.
Alexa, stop. Right, you can ask any question to Alexa. It's just how you formulate your question.
And it didn't light up.
This was bought for Mother's Day as Liam's gift to Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, hooray! Oh, another important thing about Alexa. If you don't have an Amazon account, you need to register. And also, it can play music from Spotify, Deezer, and obviously Amazon Music. But the trouble is, you need to subscribe on those three apps. So
Yeah.
just choose any. So that will cost you a bit, really. But we managed to do away with subscribing. What we did is, we just connect our phone via Bluetooth, because this got Bluetooth, and you can play any music from your Deezer, Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, any from your phone, and then it will be played here. The only problem with that is that you won't be able to command Alexa to skip or do whatever.
I'm having trouble playing your feed. That's all from your flash briefing.
Alexa, stop. Okay, never mind. So that's pretty much it. So see you later. Subscribe and like the video, and also please subscribe and like to my videos on the Steel and the Mob 360, and we'll see you all later.
Goodbye. Night.
Bye.